Hi folks, my name's Ken Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. People call me Coach. If you have any questions when you call in, please ask for me. This is a Vegas 2019 25.2 motorhome. It's a Mini A is what it is, with a great big window. You can really see what's happening out there in the world. This coach is equipped with nice split mirrors and side cameras and backup camera. We're going to go inside and take a look around. Follow me. As we move back into the bedroom, this is a slide out. So you got a 25-foot coach that lives more like a 29-foot coach. So you got nice windows on the side for cross ventilation in here. Two big windows on the side, two little windows up by your head when you're sleeping. Storage up above. They did a nice job with the colors here. Look at the size of this TV in the bedroom here, if you're a TV watcher. You got a privacy door for the bedroom. And you've got a big closet out here that holds two tables, which we'll talk about in a little bit here. Two slide-out drawers here for all your clothing. And then you have a slide door here for the bedroom. Look at the size of that shower. That's a good size shower. Lots of cabinet space in the bathroom here. And I'm going to let my cameraman come on through. And we're going to take a look at the refrigerator. Two-door refrigerator. Storage up above the refrigerator. Now this is unique. We have an induction cooktop here and a propane burner as well. So you got kind of the best of both worlds here. They put your microwave convection oven under here, so it's easier access, especially if you're vertically challenged and not very tall. You don't have to reach way up high and take hot things out. It's right here at a low level. You got four drawers right here, big spot for a garbage can. Look at the size of this sink. That's great. And you have an extension here. And you've even got a spray hose here that comes down. Up above the couch, and this couch is a jackknife couch, so you can sleep somebody here. You've got big cabinets above, which is nice. And then as you turn around, this is a drop-down bed. It drops down, it's electric, you just push a button, comes right down here. Both these seats turn around, just like a regular Class A motorhome. You can see that it's a nice cockpit. You've got cruise control, you've got tow mode here. You've got your stereo here, which is going to show your backup camera and side cameras on this coach. And you've got a desk. Makes it very nice when you're traveling down the road. You can work on things, or you can take out your coloring book and color things. You've got a place to put a table in between these two chairs. Turn them, have breakfast right here. You also have a larger table with two legs here that'll plug in for the couch. And if you're doing it right, you're going to be down south in the winter and you're going to be up north in the summer, so you should be able to be outside and enjoy yourself. Frameless windows, nice, and makes it quieter driving down the road. You got storage here, storage there. You have a TV outside here if you want to do that. It's got a great awning. This awning doesn't have the traditional support brackets that you bang your head on, so it's going to be up above your head. That's great. And you can see now how that extension in the back here, the pop-out, slides out. But you got storage underneath. Lawn chairs, barbecue. And topper on the slide, helps keep it clean in case pine needles or anything else falls on that. You've got an Awning 4000 Here's one of your big water tanks here. And there's an hot water, which makes it nice. Okay, you got an outdoor shower here, freshwater hookup, city water hookup, propane right here, another storage area here, and here's your side cameras right here on the side of the coach. As we move out front, if you have any questions on this Thor Vegas 219, please give me a call. Again, Ken Quick, Coach, and come back down here to Guarantee RV and I'll show you around.